Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tracy and I'm an independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator here in Central Victoria, Australia. I'm really excited to have you here today because I'm talking about June's Stamp with Tracy class. So this is a monthly class where I choose a designer series paper with product. It is a product-based class and we create with that set. So this week or this month we are using Pansy Petals, and let me show you what's part of this kit. So you're going to receive a quarter pack of the Pansy Petals Designer Series paper. This is such beautiful paper. So you're going to get 12 of the 6x6 papers, and these are really pretty. I love the colours in this Designer Series paper. So heaps and heaps of designs and colours there. You're also going to receive a full pack of the Simply Elegant trim. This is in gold and silver. It's really pretty. This is going to be great for Christmas as well. I keep saying this, but it really is. And also in your product, you're going to get half a pack of the Bumblebee trinkets. And these are so pretty. They really pop the card up as well. So let me see if I can bring that in. It's a little hard to see. There we go. So there'll be 10 of those, which is a half a pack of those Bumblebee trinkets. You will also receive 5 card kits that are all ready to go. Each of these card kits have die cuts or they're embossed. Everything's ready to go. You'll just need your designer series paper. So there's 5 kits in all, and you'll also receive a downloadable PDF with a video tutorial. So each card is put together by me on a video tutorial. Now the PDF comes with full color photos. So this is one of the cards. Isn't it beautiful? That lighting's not the very best, but in the description you have all the measurements for each card as well, and what you have to cut down your designer series paper. So super simple and easy. Now I don't want to show you too many of the projects because that gives it away a little bit. Head over to my blog, www.tracybish.blogspot.com. You can sign up for my emails and then you'll get information on my classes. Or if you're ready to go right now, you can just hit that Stamp with Tracy link in my blog and it signs you up for class. So per month, it's an ongoing subscription, which keeps it nice and cheap. If you want the 1 month only, so that this month's class only, it is by having those reoccurring payments. So the other thing that I want to say is it is all sent to you in a tracked mailer, so everything is tracked. You're going to know where it is, which is really great. And you'll also be part of a Facebook group that is exclusive just for Stamp with Tracy classes. So super exciting. There is more information over on my blog, so go over and check that out. I'll link it in the description as well for you. And I really hope that you're going to join in this month's class. So I did show you one card really quickly. Let me show you another one, because we're going to teach you a little bit. This one here is a fun fold. Super cute, isn't it? Just absolutely adorable. So if you're overseas, you're not living in Australia and you would like to take part, you certainly can, because I've now opened up these classes to be worldwide. It is $20 Australian for the tutorial and the video. The PDF and the video only, so it's online only, $20 Australian. So you can sign up for that over on my emails as well. I send out an email with all those links that you can do, and it works well if you're a demonstrator as well, because you can buy all those products at your discount, buy the tutorial for $20, and you've got a class kit ready to go. So anyway, so I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I hope you'll take part in the Stamp with Tracy classes. I'm doing them every single month and I am absolutely loving how all the cards are turning out. So I hope that you'll join in. I'll be back with another video really soon for you, so come back and see me then. And if you haven't hit subscribe, please do that. All right, everyone, bye-bye.